now we are going to learn how to do the horse pose. To do the horse pose, you first stand in a knee dancing position and open our left foot to the left side just a little bit and place our right leg towards the front. Right? And you just bend down to the right side. You just go bending down to the right side. Now when you are doing this, your hand goes upwards and downwards. And you face towards the front. Your hands are placed just beside your right leg and you face towards the front and you just feel a pressure on the left side. So you go just like this in a horse pose. Let's do it again. Stand in a knee dancing position, opening your left leg to the left side. Face your right leg front, with your hands up, and go downwards. And look to the front. So now let's do the same without talking. Let's go. So that's how you do the horse pose in Kalaripayattu. Thanks for watching. Until then, keep dancing.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.